Well, here we're going to have a demo using marvelapp.com to basically create a mobile applications. Right? This is a very quick way to produce a mobile app prototyping. Right? So in this demo, we're going to show about this errand run. Okay, you notice that this errand run, we can actually choose this errand run, and you basically launch the app. Errand run is something to basically allows you to match those job requests against any freelance who are able to run the errand or take on the errand job for you, right? So this is just a mock-up kind of application. So you can just log in, and there's a request you can choose. So there's a requester, basically somebody who requests for a job, a task to be done, right? And then you have a runner who is willing to offer the time and effort to basically run an errand for you, right? So you can start off with, let's say, a runner. So you're currently in runner mode, so you can choose. You want to start a job, okay, you can turn it on. That means somebody requests a job, and then you can accept. So let's say there's a nearby request, okay, that's asking you to collect a parcel from Bishan Sing Post, right? So there's a delivery fees of about $6 for the job, for you to do that three errand job, right? Or to collect some of these things. Then you can say, oh, it's just in line, and you can actually accept the job nearby request. So here, double confirm whether you want to accept the job, and you say yes. So you have accepted the errand request, and click OK. They even tell you the path, okay, of how to get there. So you can go from here to the Bishan area. So there's another request job for you to do, right? So you can even open up the Google Map, actually do the path for you, right? So then you can even look at the profile. Okay, this is a profile of your errand runner. Right? So you can see that this mobile Marvel app is actually very, it's almost like the working set. Right? So they basically do a very nice mock-up of the actual usage of your application without you even having the logic all written, right? So now we could go into the profile, so you can take a look at the profile page of the errand runner, the followers, and how many followers, the contact point, etc. Okay, so you can also look at the wallet currently, how much is in your cash balance and all this, something like the e-wallet payment. And you can also look at the errand. Okay, the current schedule for you to do is the one between the Bishan and Ang Mo Kio. And you can even look at the historical tasks that you have done, like these are the various errands that you have done before, the historical, and you can even view the transactions, okay, of the delivery fees that you have entitled to, like $3, $4, $3 kind of task job, and that goes being credited and what has been debited, right? So you can also look at transactions. Okay, these are some of the transactions. Or you can even look at the chat. Sometimes you want to check out what are the chat between the requester to request for the errand, right? So you can actually send a chat ding dong to chat on the job to be done, to clarify some of the tasks, right? And you can even go to setting to look at some of the settings you want to do, okay, the alert system, okay, and you can even rate the thing, okay? So pretty cool kind of an app, right? So this is the accepting, you can, yes, okay, the requester. So this is a very quick run through of the prototyping.